Let's ride. Sun dip low, but the block still glow. Slide through flames, let the breeze just blow. No chill, top pill, go tent in the frame. Backseat full of smoke, we ain't playing no games. Mirror flash red, but the whip too fast. Heartbeat bump with the drums that blast. One lane, one dream, no map in sight. We just cruising through fire till the stars ignite. Hey, sunroof pop with the arm half out. Gold chain dancing when the tires shout. Shorty in the back, yelling turn that loud. I just hit the switch and the flames came out. Rims so clean, got the mirror confused. Wrist on flash like a camera crew. Ain't no talk, we just move like proof. Drop heat on tracks like the summer in June. Dash lit red, but the vibe stay blue. Speed in my soul, I don't care who knew. That boy try flex, but he off that route. While we glide through streets they don't know about. Gas in the trunk, so full of smoke. Live on the edge, but we never choke. Heat in the grip, no plan for a stop. This ride don't quit, we just rising up high.
Oh baby, we cruising flames, wheels on fire, can't tame these flames. No turning down, got the sky on bail. Running this game with the hand we dealt. One way heat, no brakes, no lies. Burning that trail while the city just fly. Lights blur fast, but the moment stay. Cruising flames, let the world away.
Whole block smell like that good, that loud. We go deep, all 10, no doubt. Bass hit hard like the beat, got beef. Every bar I spit, put the lane on heat. Hood get quiet when we ride that fast. Cops peek in, but we too damn fast. She lean close with the lips on T, saying take that turn with a breeze, don't freeze. Nothing but fire from the front to the rear. Steering through smoke with a grin to the ear. Late night flips with the dash on glow. I don't chase dreams, I just make them show. Low ride heavy with the crew intact. Pocket full of sins, but we don't look back. Say what you want, but we moving right. Hot wheels, cold game, long ride tonight.
Ooh, baby, we cruising flames, wheels on fire, can't tame these flames. No turning down, got the sky on bail. Running this game with the hand we dealt. One way heat, no brakes, no lies. Burning that trail while the city just fly. Lights blur fast, but the moment stay. Cruising flames, let the world fade away.
Let the smoke rise while we float on heat. No rules, no cops, just rubber and street. Midnight kiss when the tires cool loud. This that hush, hush, slide through the proud. Paint drip gold in the grip, hold tight. Let it all burn, we gon' ride through night. I stay sharp, but the heart on flames. No pause, no fear, just vibes and lanes. I've been running through zones like a dream on tilt. Every line I lay, got the steel wheels built. Sunset glaze on the top when we dip. She in my ear like boy, don't slip. Nah, I don't miss when I floor that push. Whip got growl like a wolf in the bush. Back alley swing, whole city my maze. Running through thoughts with the dancing blaze. Two lit stall, two lit the fake. One shot breath with the real on stake. Foot on fire and the soul on 10. This how you ride when you're born to win. Clock hit fade, but we still don't stop. 4-minute ride to the motherfucking top. Still got flames in the seat, we sitting, cruising, cruising, one road, no shame. Feel that fire every time we came. Ain't no cool when you built like this, just smoke, chrome in the midnight twist, let it ride.
Let the world